Hi everyone and welcome to a new video. In this video, I'm going to share with you a dividend stock with an extremely high dividend yield. This huge dividend yield doesn't come without huge risk though. But before I continue with this video, I want to clarify that I am not a financial advisor and this is not investment advice of course. The stock I am talking about is none other than ZIM Integrated Shipping Services Ltd. Ticker symbol ZIM. ZIM Integrated Shipping Services Ltd., together with its subsidiaries, provides container shipping and related services in Israel and internationally. The company offers door-to-door and port-to-port transportation services for various types of customers, including end users, consolidators, and freight forwarders. It also provides Z-Monitor, a premium reefer cargo tracking service. As of December 31st, 2024, it operated a fleet of 145 vessels, which included 130 container vessels and 15 vehicle transport vessels, and it also operated a global network of 56 weekly lines. The company was incorporated in 1945 and is headquartered in Haifa, Israel. Their industry is marine shipping, while their sector is industrials. Its current market cap is $1.57 billion, so they aren't a very big company. This is a small market cap. Their current PE ratio is below 1, which is insane. I have never seen a company with a PE ratio below 1. It is 0.73. Their forward PE ratio is 5.41. This means that they are expecting their earnings to decline, but still a 5.41 forward PE ratio is not bad. Looking into their financials and into their income statement specifically, it is obvious that the revenue was growing consistently. This stopped in 2023. 2023 was a bad year, but in 2024 the revenue started growing again. It hasn't fully recovered yet, so we'll see how they'll perform in 2025. As for their basic and diluted shares outstanding, I see that they used to dilute their shareholders, but since 2022, their shares count haven't changed that much. They are almost the same as they used to be back then. They are definitely not showing any interest in buying back shares, but this could change in the future. Their basic earnings per share are 17.84, while their diluted earnings per share are 17.82. In 2023, their EPS were negative, so it's nice to see this huge EPS growth after a bad year. As for their balance sheet, their current cash and equivalents are $1.3 billion approximately, while their short-term investments are $152 million approximately. Their trading asset securities are $648.5 million, so in total they have $2.115 billion. That's a solid cash position. They could reinvest this money back into their business, or they could use it to pay off some of their debt, which is huge by the way. Their current total debt is $6.03 billion. This is a massive debt and makes a potential investment into this stock very risky. Their net cash debt is minus $3.915 billion. With good management, they can probably overcome this burden, but I don't see much interest in paying it off for now. I will look at their debt occasionally because I'm interested in the stock and I will keep you updated. Let's continue with its dividend stats. They currently have a dividend yield of 61.29%. This dividend yield is massive. There aren't many stocks paying a dividend above 50%, and most times dividend yields like this aren't sustainable long term. For now, they have a healthy payout ratio of 44.78%, which means that they can easily afford their current dividend. For every single ZIM share you own, you will get paid $7.98 annually, according to stockanalysis.com, but it's not like they consistently pay the same amount. The dividend payments change all the time. Their current buyback yield is minus 0.23%, so they slightly diluted their shareholders. This makes their shareholder yield 60.68%. Analyst consensus for ZIM stock is sell. This means that they are pessimistic about the share price performance during the next 12 months. They gave a low estimate of $12, an average estimate of $13.95, a median estimate of $13, and a high estimate of $18. They are expecting the share price to change between minus 7.9% to 38.14% growth. I used to own a few ZIM shares in the past, which I finally sold at a loss. This was my worst investment ever. Back then, they used to pay an even higher dividend. The moment I bought, they cut their dividend completely, so I didn't even get a single dividend payment from them. I had bad timing, of course, but still, it was a bad decision from the beginning. I shouldn't invest a big percentage of my portfolio in a stock that I believed it was risky. Now, their total debt and net cash debt is even bigger than it used to be back then, so I wouldn't buy this stock. I want to see their debt becoming smaller and more consistency with the revenue. I am open to adding this stock in my portfolio, but not at the current price. If I bought this stock, it would only be a small percentage of my portfolio, and only if the share price falls significantly. And when I say significantly, I mean a lot. This sector is cyclical. I can't predict the bottom, but I can add again if the share price falls even more. We will see. If I add this stock to my portfolio, I will keep you updated, of course. Let me know in the comments below what is your opinion about ZIM stock. Do you maybe already own it? And also, let me know how is your invest journey going so far. Subscribe and turn the notifications on so you can see more videos like this one. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. See you in the next one.